Hi everyone, my name is Munza Ambima and welcome to the EmbeddedTrack tutorial series. So in this series, I'm going to be walking you through the EmbeddedTrack tracking platform on both web and mobile, and we are going to be considering the various features of this application. First, we are going to start with an introduction where I will walk you through the user interface and then show you where every tool and functionality can be accessed. And then from there we can now begin to consider each tool in every episode. So to start with, let's visit the web app on EmbeddedTrack.com. You don't need to put the www, just EmbeddedTrack.com on your browser. HTTPS security will automatically be enabled. So to log in, this is the home page. This is the welcome page, login page. To log in, let's log into the demo account on eTrack demo, and then tap, go and enter the password. Then we log in. So it will load, and the loading depends on the number of objects you have in your account, and then the number and then the speed of your network. So it's loading. Yes. So first of all, we are going to start from the left, and this is the object pane. So every object can be a car, it can be a generator, it can be a truck, a tractor, or whatever you are tracking with our tracking solution. And from here, there is no vehicle in motion at this particular point in time, but I can tell this one has started moving. So if you click on an object here, you come to the lower part, you can see the different information that you can see associated with this particular vehicle. So here is the plate number, the odometer reading, this is the present status, the engine has been on but the vehicle has been idle for 12 minutes. This is the present address, Enugu Onitsha Expressway, and then we can see the altitude, we can see bearing here, the position, the speed is 0 for now. Most importantly, you are to consider this time. So the time position, this particular time is the time that is coming from the tracker, the last time the tracker sent an update to the server, while this is the last time the server, this is the last time that this application pulled data from the server. So this is the present device battery level on the vehicle. The engine is running. This is fuel level, and this is GPS signal 20%, GSM signal 100%. The device is presently roaming on the MTN network. Ignition is on, and this is the voltage that is running through the battery. Now there are extended intelligence you can get from this tool, especially from this voltage level, because it can tell you a lot. But since we are in the introductory page, let's go and see events. This is what is happening to all the assets listed in this account in real time. These are places. We have only added 3 zones here. This is history, where you can see the history of every vehicle. Then on the menu, most importantly, this is settings, this is dashboard. You can use this to show a point, this one to find an address. This is where reports are, and then tasks, you can set up tasks and mark tasks complete here. You can it's applicable to only devices that have RFID enabled. Here is diagnostics, where you have OBD scanner connected to the tracker, while this is where you can set up maintenance, and this you can track expenses, while this is object control, where you can be able to control every vehicle according to the hardware implementation. Then finally, let's look at the map. The map, there are different tools on the map. So here you can select different type of maps. We have 11 type of map available. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. Here you can enable or disable clusters. You can enable or disable icons. Here you can enable or disable clusters. Clusters is a collection of 2 or more assets in a particular place. You can disable them to see icons as individual icons, or you can enable them to see clusters as to where your assets are positioned in the map. Then you can here is to